Hello and welcome, my friends. It's me, Sven, from the channel BFD Drives, and this video here is dedicated to my car here, my Jaguar X-Type 3.0 Sport all-wheel drive. So the color of this car is called Adriatic Blue, and well, there's also something something sad I have to tell, because it is kind of the last time you're seeing this video, this car in my videos. Well, maybe it will be, of course, in one more, at least one more, and maybe a second one, depending on if I'm going tomorrow also with this car on a classic car show or not. Because the car is sold. It was a short time. I'm having this amazing looking car. It's also looking great. So the previous owner had the car for almost 20 years. Just one more month and it has been the 20 years. So if I'm remembering it correctly. And the problem is, if you're buying an old car and you're using it as a daily, then you are of course more satisfied if you're owning a car that is reliable, and if you can always use it. And I had this car already a few times in the repair shop. So long story short, my brother told me I should do a video about the car to show it, because he's not able to see the car anymore because it's sold. So in middle of next week the car is away. Well, I still have my stuff inside of it. So this is the boot, as you can tell. Not very high, as you can see. So so the current wheels most likely do not fit into there. The car is let me count. So the first owner has been Jaguar Germany. Most likely was a pre-launch car, and it is because this car was already registered in early April, so on April 3rd in 2001, and officially the car has been sold in June 2001 back then. The wheels are, of course, not the standard wheels, they are MAM wheels. And I've also lost during this week the little cover here. I mean, it's not an expensive thing, so 15 to 20 euros maybe, but it's away. And I'm thinking this was painted again sometime. It's not looking like it had a crash or something like that, but according to the previous owner it was no crash, but the trader who sold me the car told me he cannot say for sure, so he sold it to me as a damaged car, but it's alright. At least it was alright to me. It's also not the problem to me. So let's get to the inside. Oh well, let's open the hood. So I had it a few times at the repair shop. So when I was buying it, this by the way is also not standard on these. So here we go. It's the 3.0 V6 engine. This is of course not so beautiful, but okay, it already had some better days, as you can tell. So the water pump was broken. I didn't see that. It is somewhere here, and there was a cover down below, so I couldn't see it, that it was dropping the water coolant. Then what was also broken, something that I knew when I was buying it, was the the alternator, as you can tell now. I hope you can see it. Yep, it's new now. I spent some money. New brake discs at the rear end, or at the rear axle to be more precise. I've got a full inspection, and I was thinking, then everything is done. I spent already more money than expected. I mean, it's a nice ride. I don't want to say the car is bad, but I'm just right now opting out of it, because I'm just jumping out of it because, yeah, better now before I'm running bankruptcy with style. My next car will be a Volkswagen Golf, something ordinary, a Mark 7. I mean, this car is of course really beautiful and looking amazing. I mean, there's no rust. So, like as when you're checking the co-passenger side, then I can also show it to you here. It's not any difference about the other side. So always take a look here. Most likely it's starting here with some bubbles, and this here is most important. If it's rusting here at this end here, then it's most likely that you can throw away the entire car. So that's about the exterior. So no rust, like I told you. Well, so I spent already some money into the car. The previous owner for sure as well. I mean, all the foil stuff outside and also here, this stuff was done by the previous owner. Also here, usually you're seeing a wooden gray dashboard on the Sport. But I must say, it's looking very nice with this wrapping foil, and also you can just touch it and you're not seeing any fingerprints like as on today's cars. So here, Jaguar. Here's the cat. Okay. Here's my key, it's here. I was already showing something of the car before. So here you can also see the Christmas tree. It has 150,000 kilometers, so it's less than 100,000 miles. So actually very nice, but of course, as I told you, it has some problems. So for example, the here you can see it's coming a little bit down, as you see it there, and here it was coming down 2 weeks ago, and I was just putting it down because I was like hanging in my head. This hasn't been fun while driving. So my plan was to remove all the foam that's left here. So the textile stuff is still here, and that has been my plan, but plans can change, as you can tell. I was actually already showing you the sat-nav system, very nice stuff. So back in 2001 we already had all this stuff here. It also has a phone which is no more working, but let's switch it off. Television, which is also no more working because we have no more television on these channels. Yeah, phone, like I told you. I also can do the test. No? So 1971. So here we can also check about the self-check. Everything is alright. No errors detected. That's always nice. But they are only detected the very bad errors. So like as here. So we had this error, for example, from just recently, 3rd of July in 2024. So the ignition coil was broken at 1 cylinder. So the car was running on 5 cylinders only. I've got new spark plugs and so on. Good, I got new brake discs at the rear. What else? So a new alternator and so on. So you can imagine this was an expensive fun to me. And you can also notice here, so we had once a bad issue in 2016, some more issues in 2018 and one in 2019. So it's not looking like this car is very unreliable, but it's an old car. And so of course you always have to keep in mind things can go broken. So for my brother here, everything from the inside. So we also have this here, very nice. I'm not sure if this is OEM. I don't even know if it's working because here's all of the stuff directed. I have no idea, I've never tried it. And yeah, well, let's switch on the engine so we can also listen to it. And yeah, I hope the brake. I have to drive to somewhere else because yeah, the handbrake isn't working. It's only working if it's funny. I don't know why, because I was also letting it check, and that's also one of the issues. So there's one issue after the next one, and so I was deciding to stop it, because I also still have my Audi and I want to keep my Audi. So what an amazing sound. So this is also the nice exhaust sound. That's what this cat is sounding like. But like I told you, so that's, by the way, me, Sven. This story has to get an end, because otherwise I'm running out of money. Because yeah, so it's possible that the catalyst is having a damage from the problem when it was running on 5 cylinders, because it was recently again the yellow engine light switched on, and there was an error about the lambda, so could be possible. And a new catalyst is just way too expensive. I cannot afford it right now, so I was deciding to stop it before I'm running bankruptcy. I spent lots of money into the car. Actually, I should keep it, but yeah, sometimes it's getting too expensive, and then you will going to miss this lovely car. But yeah, I still have the old Audi from 1983, and I decided that I want to maintain that one instead of only this one. So I'm selling this one instead of the Audi, and I'm thinking it's the better idea. So guys, now I'm heading to the Altblech event in Calw, and most probably you will also see the car there when it's exhibited there, and maybe tomorrow at the Classics and Coffee. So guys, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I